So we're going to listen to just a part, the third part of the lecture again. And we're going to listen for repeated keywords. So, if you hear the lecturer use a word many times, then it must be an important word. It must be a keyword. So that's what our master student tip tells us. So if you hear the word, then you should make note of it. Maybe you already know the word, no problem. But suppose you're in a class where you're learning new vocabulary, new terminology, and this is one that you hear the teacher saying a lot, then you probably think it's an important word for you to learn, okay? And also when you learn a word from the lecture, from hearing it or from the reading, you want to learn some members of the family too. So, like nutrient and nutrients. One is singular, another is plural. We have nutrition and we have nutritious. We have nourish and we have nourishes. So we have different words. Now the verb is nourish. So nourish means to provide nutrients. So let's say that I'm drinking a nutritious drink and it's a nourishing drink. If I say the drink is nourishing, it nourishes me, that means whatever is in here and I consume this will make my the cells in my body, the cells in the tissues of my body, it will either maintain them or repair them if they're broken or make them grow and develop. All right, so nourish is the verb. That means to provide nutrients to the body. All right, so we have nourish, nourishes, nourishing, nourishment. Those are members of the same family. So I'm going to play this part of it, and if you hear any of these words, would you raise your hand, please? Okay, get ready to raise your hand as soon as you hear a word from these from this list.
Provide not only energy, but also enough nutrients.
Oh, good. I see most of you have your hands up because you heard the word nutrients. Nutrients. Very good.
So, what do we mean by nutrients?
Nutrients. You heard that, right? She repeated that key word.
Well, a nutrient is an ingredient in your...
Oh, good. I see a few hands. What did she say? A nutrient is an ingredient, okay, in your diet.
That has nutritious qualities.
That has nutritious qualities. Very good.
In other words, it nourishes or promotes growth.
Good, good. It nourishes or promotes growth. Right.
It is essential for the body to function. Now, what is the largest component of the human body? Do you know, or can you guess?
Water.
Yes, it's water. Yes, H2O. Water. Water is one of the most essential nutrients.
Essential nutrients. One of the most essential nutrients. Very good.
And other nutrients.
And other nutrients.
Necessary nutrients.
Necessary nutrients.
Are carbohydrates.
Carbohydrates.
Fat. Protein.
Protein.
Vitamins.
Vitamins.
And minerals.
And minerals. Okay.
Over the next few weeks, we will be discussing what each of these nutrients does.
Yes, we will be discussing what each of these nutrients does. Good. Okay, so you can hear. Good. You're catching the keywords, and you'll see how this is definitely a keyword in a nutrition class. Good. Good. Okay, let's see whether you can tell us the answers to activity 17.